Central Processing Unit, CPU. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It processes instructions and performs calculations for all tasks. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board. It connects all the components and allows them to communicate with each other. Memory, RAM. RAM, random access memory, stores data that the CPU is currently using. It provides fast access to data for running programs. Storage drive. This is where data is stored. It can be a hard disk drive, HDD, or a solid-state drive, SSD. Power supply unit, PSU. The PSU provides electrical power to the computer. It converts electricity from the outlet into a form that the computer can use. Graphics processing unit, GPU. The GPU, also known as a graphics card, handles rendering images and videos. It's important for gaming and graphic-intensive tasks. Monitor. The monitor is the display screen that shows the computer's output. Keyboard and mouse. These are input devices used to interact with the computer. Keyboards are for typing, while mice are for pointing and clicking. Case, chassis. The computer case holds all the components together, providing physical protection and cooling. Cooling system. Fans, heatsinks, and sometimes liquid cooling systems keep the CPU and GPU from overheating. Ports and connectors. These are used to connect external devices, like USB ports for flash drives, HDMI for monitors, and audio jacks for speakers and headphones. Operating system, OS. The OS is the software that manages the hardware and allows you to run applications. Common examples include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. These are the essential components that make up a basic computer. Depending on the type and purpose of the computer, there may be additional components or variations, but these are the core parts you'll find in most desktop computers.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.